New Robocop trailer released. I'd see that for $1. Visit more awesomer media sites. The awesomer vertical bracket Mighty Mega. Follow us. Choose category audio computing cool toys deals design digital imaging future tech gadgets Geek Art plus craft Geek wear GK foods GPS plus navigation hacks plus mods health plus fitness home entertainment interactive just plain fun media players mobile tech quick picks retro robots science fiction software space strange plus wonderful technology timepieces vehicles video games websites weird science home about popular, random, awesome, mighty, more, just plain fun vertical bracket robots vertical bracket video vertical bracket movie vertical bracket Robocop vertical bracket theater. New Robocop trailer released. I'd see that for $1. Advertisement. September 6, 2013 by Shane McClellan. I'll admit I've been out of the loop when it comes to the new Robocop movie the last several months. Last time I mentioned it here, Hugh Laurie, the guy that played House, was said play the CEO of Omni Corporation. It looks like, while I wasn't paying attention they made a few changes. Nowhere in the trailer do we see Hugh Laurie, but you do see that bad Matthew himself Samuel L. Jackson. It's hard to tell from the trailer, but it appears that Jackson is playing the chief executive a-hole of Omni Corporation. The trailer also shows a Robocop who is more human than he was in the old school 80s flick. Notably, Robocop isn't doing the robot at each turn. He appears to be quite fluid and has an auto-retracting face shield. The trailer also shows that, while Robocop thinks he's in control, he actually doesn't have as much free will as he believes. I'm particularly glad to see not a single Ford Taurus in any of the scenes. Previous post next post. Procatinator, the furry feline backbone of the internet. Life-sized Iron Man armor balloon costume. Plot go the Avengers. Point out text content left curly bracket font size 12px important line height 15px right curly bracket. Home comment. Subscribe to Technobob. Advertisement. Post a comment. Click here to cancel reply. Want a personal avatar in your comments? Sign up for a free gravatar now. Name, required. Email, will not be published, required. Note, all comments with links in them will be held for moderation in order to prevent spam, so you may not see your post appear immediately. Notify me of follow-up comments via email. Table. Number TP underscore if underscore footer underscore link TD a left curly bracket padding 2px font family Verdana Arial sans serif font size 11px line height 14px color number 012888 text decoration non-text shadow non-font style normal font weight normal font stretch normal font size adjust non-letter spacing, normal background, non-right curly bracket table, number TP underscore if underscore footer underscore link TD, cover left curly bracket padding, 2px font family, Verdana, comma Arial, sans serif font size, 11px line height, 14px color, number 012888 text shadow, non-font style. Normal font weight, normal font stretch, normal font size adjust, non-letter spacing, normal background, non-right curly bracket table, number TP underscore if underscore footer underscore link left curly bracket border, none, width 100% text align, center margin 0px padding 0px, line height 0px right curly bracket table. Number TP underscore if underscore footer underscore link TD left curly bracket border none vertical align middle text align center margin 0px padding 0px right curly bracket point TP underscore menu underscore link left curly bracket color number 003366 font size 9px left 4px margin 2